In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Real-Debrid with Stremio. To get started, open Stremio on your device. This tutorial assumes you're already logged in, so once the app is open, just leave it ready in the background. Keeping Stremio open can make the final confirmation step quicker and easier. Next, open your web browser and go to the Real-Debrid website, then sign into your account. Make sure you're on the official site and that your account is active, since you'll need access to your device authorization tools for the setup to work properly. Once you're signed in, head to the My Devices section in your Real-Debrid dashboard. This is where Real-Debrid lets you authorize compatible apps and services. In this area, you should see a temporary device authorization key displayed on the screen. Copy that key carefully. Since it's temporary, it's a good idea to use it right away so it doesn't expire before you finish the process. After that, open a new browser tab and go to the Stremio setup page. This is where you'll configure Stremio to work with your Real-Debrid account inside Stremio. On the configuration page, look for the provider settings and select Real-Debrid as your provider. This tells Stremio which Debrid service it should connect to when fetching premium source links. Now find the Real-Debrid authorization field on that same page and paste in the key you copied earlier. Double-check that the full key has been pasted correctly with no missing characters or extra spaces. Small mistakes here can prevent the connection from working, so it's worth taking an extra second to confirm everything looks right. Once that's done, click Install. This applies the configuration and creates the link between Stremio and Stremio using your Real-Debrid authorization. Depending on your browser and device, this may trigger Stremio to open automatically or prompt you to continue in the app. When Stremio appears, approve the add-on installation prompt. This is the final confirmation that allows the configured add-on to be added to your Stremio setup. After you accept it, the integration should be active. To test everything, open any movie or TV show in Stremio and check the available sources. If the setup worked correctly, you should now see Real-Debrid premium sources listed among the playback options. That's the sign that your account is connected and working as expected. Thanks for watching.